Hi friends, today I am going to take the subject basically on the Apple Watch Series 6. So after a long time I am taking this review. So earlier also I used Apple Watches. That series I think first series or something 2015 I started the first one. So I used it for 2-3 years, and after that, due to their battery backup and all things, it was very low and not able to very heavy, that stainless steel one, and belt is also very this thing. So in a day you have to charge 2 times or 3 times. So I frustrated on that, and I stopped using that watch. And at that time it was for the fun, basically for taking the calls and seeing how it works, and that was the fun. But basically I was not concentrating especially on the health aspects. So since 7-8 years I am very active in the health conscious, basically health conscious person. So I do morning walk, yoga, and cycling also. So since 2 years I am using this watch, basically Huawei Huawei GT2. So very good watch. So it is also very fantastic watch. I will show you how it is and how it looks basically. So it is also, you can take a call, and you can, everything is there. But today I am going to talk much about the Apple Watch Series 6. There are basically two sizes. One is 40 mm, another one is 44 mm. Again, it is divided into three categories. Material of construction. So on material of construction, it is got three, comes into three construction of metals, basically aluminum case, then stainless steel and titanium. These are the three materials it comes. Cost varies. Aluminum is the lowest one, then steel is costly, then titanium is more costly. The range varies from 35 to around 70 to 73,000 rupees, depending upon the material of construction and the size, 40 or 44 mm, and cellular and Wi-Fi or LTE, whichever the model. LTE and cellular is the same, but Wi-Fi one. It depends upon which model you are choosing. Size, number one, then whether it is a Wi-Fi or cellular, number two, number three is the construction of the material. These three things you need to check. And what is the basically this is made of? I have told you, in aluminum you will get 4-5 colors. One is basically silver, space gray, then gold, blue and red. Blue and red you will get only in the series 6, that too in aluminum case only. Then it comes basically after aluminum, stainless steel, silver, graphite and gold, three colors. And in titanium, two colors. One is a normal titanium, second one is the space black. So these are the things. And weight wise I am going to tell you which is the lowest weight and how it is. Basically aluminum 40 gram, 40 mm and 44 mm I am going to tell you. Aluminum 40 mm 30 grams, 30.5 grams, whereas 44 36.5 grams. Stainless steel one 40 mm 39.7 gram, 47.1 gram in 44 mm. Titanium 34.6 gram, here 41.3 gram. Means stainless steel is the heavier one, then titanium, then the aluminum. So if you want a lightweight, go for aluminum, and if you want more durable, more these things, go for titanium, but again you have to pay more cost. So you see, lightweight is very important in 40 mm. Earlier I was having 44 mm, now I bought it 40 mm because it was very heavy, and the strap also was stainless steel, and at the end of the day I was feeling it was very tight, and sometimes so not comfortable. Charging was a major problem. So what are the now changes they have given? Basically this comes with 1 GB plus 32 GB. One is a internal this things ROM, and another is a RAM 32. This is for 40 and 44 mm. This is the basically the same capacity is there. Only the sizes varies. Basically in 40 mm you will see 334 pixel, and whereas 44 mm you will get 444 pixel. And nowadays other things also, I will go to the other technical things. So AODs they have given always display, always on display is there. Features, I am going to talk about the features. So basically and always display on, then SpO2 oxygen, blood oxygen monitoring, then ECG. These three things are there. This is very, very important things. So compass is there, then water resistance is there, 50 meters height you can up to that height you can swim. Basically not for the sports activities like scuba diving or something, you cannot wear these glasses. Open swimming you can do it, and even ocean also you can do the swimming. This is the difference basically. Then it comes with the S6 chips, U1 latest chips what they are telling, because you have heard many people they will tell about the chips and these things, but nobody is going to tell about what is the construction of material and weight wise. Lightweight if you want, go for how to select the watch. Basically this is the first question I am going to ask you. First you have to see your wrist, just measure your circumference of your wrist. Then if it is 6 point above 6 or 6.5 inches, so you go for 44. If it is less than that, go for 40 mm also. This time they have given very bold letters, bold, you can read without specs also, even 40 mm. It is very good watch, I use without that also. These are the things basically. Then it comes what is cellular and what is Wi-Fi, or cellular they call in other countries also, LTE also they call. Basically the Wi-Fi always you need to carry your phone with that. So means Bluetooth connection you can do everything, but this cellular version is if you have got your phone, basically you need to have a phone above 10x, maybe 10xx, XR, these are, even 10x also does not work. Other than that, you have to check which phone is eSIM one. Accordingly to that iPhone only you can buy a cellular, otherwise there is no use of cellular. One condition, this is one condition, topmost condition. And maybe which are cellular based mobile like Samsung, maybe you need to check 20 Ultra or something else, or maybe you can check it with whoever the phone vendors, you need to check. But my advice is that it is better to, for ecosystems or anything, it is better to take the same phone with the same watch, it is always better. So first you have to have a phone of 10x or 10 max or and above, whatever you want that thing. Second point is that you should have the cellular one. So then you convert your that phone first to eSIM, then only you can convert this to eSIM. You need to convert to eSIM, otherwise there is no use of this one. So these are the conditions. And third condition, sorry. One is the phone. Phone has to be compatible. Watch, if you bought this watch is also cellular watch, second condition. Third condition is that who are the cellular Airtel or Jio, both are there, but you should have a postpaid connection for the Airtel. This is what that is there, but I don't know the latest, you need to check it out. So before buying cellular phone, because these are costly, you need to check it and then only you can buy it. This is okay. First, whether you want 40 or 44 mm, I have told you the wrist size. According to wrist size, 6.5 above inches, you can buy 44. Otherwise, no need to buy so off, it is not required. So you should have a smaller size than if you are buying, but bold letters are there. People are worrying whether acha dikhta hai, nahi dikhta hai, that is the reason. So very clear thing, without specs also you can see it. These are the things. Then it comes the different type of straps, whether silicone, nylon, stainless steel. You need to check whether you are allergic by silicone. Some people are allergic with metals, so you have to change afterwards also. Maybe silicone, if you have got allergy, then you go for nylon. If nylon you have got allergy, go for leather or go for stainless steel. So these are the things basically. And here in this watch, there are lot of modes are there, sports mode, and this I am going to take you the detailed review. So these are the things. So, and lastly I am going to tell you, so what is the advantage of this phone basically. If you have got 5 series, don't buy this one. Maybe in September new series 7 is also coming. So if you are able to wait, it is well and good. I bought because here ECG is there, so I have taken the ECG report here, I sent to my doctor, he told it is perfect. So it is very good. And second reason is fall detection. Whenever you fall or due to accident or something, if you are above 45 years old, heart attacks or something, so it gives SOS connection. Whoever the number you put it, 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers, that automatically call goes to those persons with your location where you are there. So this is the advantage. I need to check detail, but there are a lot of news in papers also. People have their life have been saved due to this watch. So that is a beautiful one. Fall detection is a very good one. So maybe due to accident you may fall or something like that. So suddenly whatever the things are there, they according to their instructions. So it will go a call to your maybe your spouse, wife, mother, brother, sister, or maybe hospital doctors, whoever name 1, 2, 3 you put it, that connection goes. Even international call is also, if you are from, if I go abroad, so there also it works. So means it comes calls to here. So that is what the Apple claiming. I don't know. And then the blood SpO2 monitoring is there, blood oxygen monitoring is there, this feature, ECG is there. So these are the beautiful features and very good, improved over the years of the when I used first one now, and battery is also improved, everything is improved now. But when you charge in the morning 100%, in the night only you have to charge it. So that is why it is a beautiful watch. And these are the things basically. And one more feature is there, hand wash. So if you put it that also, just you have to, when you go for the tap, near the tap, you have to just start the tap. it will sense it, and up to 20 minutes, if you don't watch up to 20 seconds, sorry, 20 seconds, so it will tell you that we are not washed properly. So that is the thing, that is also a good one. So these are the very health conscious. Maybe 7 they are telling glucose monitor is coming, shape is changing, I don't know, whatever the things are there, but now prices are dropping, you can buy this one. So I will show you the watch, just wait. Hi guys, this is the continuation of that review. Just I will go through you what are the things in this watch, detail things. These are the watch faces. So here you have got activity. So these are the activities, you can see it here basically. And rowing, elliptical, high intensity hiking, swimming, dancing, cool down, core training, pool swim, open water swim. You can add further if you want, whatever the things are there, because to avoid load on this basically this watch. So the few activities are there, so you can add the activity whichever you want. So yoga is also there. So yoga, then outdoor walk, indoor walk, cycling, indoor walk, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling. So these are the things, workout. Then you can listen the music, but you need to have a earphone for which. So only it will not give on the this watch the music. You can, this is, you can connect and you can listen the music. So without phone, also you can listen the music directly through eSIM. Basically whatever the plans are there on your Airtel or Jio plan, so you can listen the music. So there is no issue in this. And so this is music, and here this is blood oxygen. So you can check blood oxygen at any time. It is accurate, but maybe you can believe 1 or 2% maybe here and there, not percentage, but most of the time it is accurate. The way you can do, how you attach, where you attach, so those things are there. So properly you need to attach. So then it comes your, sorry, ECG is here. So you can put it finger over here, so you can send it to your doctor, so that any problems are, this is very very accurate feature of this one. And Spotify I have downloaded, you can listen music here also, whichever the on phone you can set it. So music is over, SP2 ECG is over. The bedtime is also there, so you can, if you put it bedtime, you can select what time you want to get up, want to sleep. So then totally it will black out, only the time will show, all the your net gate connections, everything will be down. So this is a beautiful thing. Morning you will, alarm will be there, so only vibration if you want, you can set it on the vibration. If you want both the things, you can set voice as well as the vibration also. You can, any SMS also you can send, like example here. So there are, you can send the message, you can send emojis, you can send thank you, thanks, these are okay, talk later, hold on sec. So these are the things pre-made, lot of things are there, you can reply from here also. Even messages you can do it, and even for WhatsApp also you can do the same thing, even for messenger messages. So anything you can send it from here, you can access mail. So these are the things. So then anything else? So setting, if you go there, everything is there. Notification, general, do not disturb also you can do it. So Bluetooth brightness is always display on mode, so you can always, you can just put it, it is always, it will not stop the display, continuously display will be on. So battery will eat up heavily in this. And this is for ladies. Cycle tracking, basically monthly period, they can track it here from here. So that is also there. So this is ear heads, basically who are not for them, here ads. So this is there. So from here you can check it. Today is my activities, what I have done. Total I closed this ring. So to stand this much time, I have set it for 6 hours. 6 hours I have done it. Exercise 50 minutes I have set it. 82 minutes I have done it. These are the steps. So total steps I have done it 8,600 now. Kilometer 6.6 kilometers. Outdoor 5 kilometer. Cycling I have done 3.41 kilometer. Yoga I have done 73 kilocalories. If you want to change the goals, you can change the goal also from here. So it is always there. So even ECG is also here. You can send the printout or you can send through WhatsApp or anything to your doctor. I have sent it. My ECG report is telling fantastic. There is no issue. So these are the things already I have briefed you. What are the things over here? So a lot of face washes are there here. You can change the watch faces anytime. So beautiful, bold and clear things are there. Even it is 40 mm. Also you see the letters are very bold and clear. So no need to afraid whether you only what I have told earlier, you have to check it. Anything left? My favorite is breathing exercise. So very beautiful. Unlike in other my GTs and this thing, it will not give, but when it comes up, it presses your pulse, so that you can take inhale the breath till that time and exhale that time. So it is very beautiful. So now it is giving vibration, you see. So it is stopped. Now it is when you inhale, it is vibrating. It is vibrating now. Till that time you can vibrate. So very beautiful. I like this one. In a day 2 to 3 times if you do, you will not fall sick also. So I think almost all I have covered. You can set up the camera button also from here. So please, if you like my channel, please subscribe my channel. You will be getting notification time to time. Hit the bell icon. So I am reviewing all the gadgets. So last month I reviewed iPhone Pro also. Technically also I am doing, as being an engineer, I have done lot of technical continuation training on bearings, belts and all those things. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.